Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with the 2005 Bobcat S205 skid steer loader. One owner trade-in, excellent tires, and we're just $15.97 on the hours. Vertical lift boom. This one reaches 118 inches to the hinge pins, and it is in nice shape. Gold package, power bob attach, and standard flow. You notice the door's in good condition, minimal rust. The machine itself has got its original paint on it, and it is nice. Tires again are excellent. We're powered with a 61 horse Kubota turbo diesel, 4-cylinder liquid cooled. See, we got the sound package in this machine, easy maintenance. See your hydraulic filter, your air filter, your starter, air conditioner, your oil, and your fuel. You know, everything's within easy reach, and the service schedule is printed right on the back door, so there's no reason for the maintenance not to be done. Oil cooler and radiator overhead, no chance of popping a hole in those on the construction site. Door is in nice shape. We got a few scratches on it, but it opens and closes great. Boom is in nice shape. The corners are nice on the machine. You know, it's got its few average scratches on it, but nothing out of the ordinary. Tube lines look good. I don't see rust on those. The plate, a little bit of play in there. We might have to tighten that up for you. All right, on the inside, I'll just take a look at the roof as well. Nice shape. On the inside, we got the nice keyless panel in here. We'll go ahead and fire it up. $15.96.6 on the hours. We're a standard flow machine. Hey, tell you what, it's hot outside. It's nice to have the air conditioning. Cools you down nice in this machine. Power bob attach. Boom is in nice shape. And of course, we got the keyless panel, so you can keep the machine yours. Again, $15.96.6 on the hours. All right, again, a 2005 Bobcat S205 skid steer loader. 61 horse turbo, 16.9 gallons per minute. We got a 6655 operating weight, so it's going to be easy to trailer with your 3/4 ton truck. 118 inches to the hinge pin, so no problem loading over the triaxle. Power bob attach. You know, great tires. With the gold package, this will be a nice machine year-round. Does also feature the 7-pin, so we're ready to hook up to all your Bobcat attachments. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this 2005 Bobcat S205 skid steer loader. You know, great operating capacity on this one. It'll handle a ton with the boom up in the air. Tipping load is a little over 2 tons. It's a very capable machine, heat and air, clean. Fully serviced by our Bobcat certified technicians. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. We're just east of Minneapolis and St. Paul. Exit 4, Hudson, Wisconsin. Thank you.